Hey, what's up YouTube? This video we're going to be talking about the BIQU Panda Lux LED light strip upgrade kit for the Bambu Lab printers. And the link's going to be in the description if you want to actually check the website out and look at all the details on this. We're just looking at a screenshot now. One thing I didn't know when I bought this is you can't use it in conjunction with the existing Bambu light. I guess the printer can't power both, so you get one or the other. So I was going to send it back, and then I didn't. I kind of got stuck with it. So I decided to modify it so I can run both. And I'll show you how I did that. And also let me go ahead and show you a side-by-side of the same printing with just the Bambu light on the left, and then on the right is printing with both lights on, just so you can kind of see the difference. So my opinion, it doesn't make much difference looking at a live video or doing a time-lapse on it. But let me go to the actual printer itself, and I'll show you what it looks like from the front of the printer, and I'll show you how I actually modified it to make them both work. So we're at my P1S right now, and the stock Bambu printer light is on, and I can actually control the Panda light with my smartphone, so I can run them both. And I'm going to turn that on now from my phone, and you'll be able to see the difference it makes from the front of the printer when you're looking in. So it does light it up pretty good. So it might be worth getting it. You don't really need to run both lights, I guess. The Panda light is a lot better than the stock Bambu light. I did want to run both though, so I actually went ahead and modified the Panda light so I can run both. And let me go ahead and pull it off here, and I'll show you how I did that. So the Panda light mounts up here. It's just magnetic. It just sticks to the frame. All I did was just cut the plug off. It came on the Panda, and I just soldered on 2 wires, and I just taped it up here to just keep my cable management good, and ran them through the little hole up top here. Here's what the hole looks like here that I just went ahead and ran the wires out and around the back of the printer, and then I went ahead and soldered those wires to a USB plug, put them in a block, and then have it plugged into a Wi-Fi plug. So then from here I can turn the light on and off, or I can use my smart home devices, including my phone. And so that's how I'm actually using both. So maybe worth doing it. I don't know. I mean, the light for 13 bucks, it does light up the front of it really well if you're standing in front of the printer. But as you saw in the video, it doesn't do much for your time lapse. So if that's why you wanted to get it, I don't think it's really worth it, even for the 12 or 13 bucks. But pretty simple modifications. And really, I guess that's all I have for this one. All the links to everything will be in the description if you want to check the plug out of the light, or anything else is going to be down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.